Hi guys, I am working on something for a client. She found a lovely piece of fabric here and she wants to use it to make a shawl, but the ends are not square, so I'll have to square the ends, and I'll show you exactly what I do in order to get the ends to be square. And so what I'll do is just put a little notch at the edge here, and then I'll get a piece of yarn out and then start pulling. Now this should take me across the fabric. Oh no, it's not taking me across the fabric. So what I'll do is just put the ends together here. I have folded the fabric in half, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple of pins in here to keep it together. And then I'm going to have to resort to using my square. So I'll just put my square at the edge here. And then I'll just put a line across here. Then use my yardstick to follow the line. So when I cut through this line, both sides should be square. I'm gonna go ahead and stitch off this end before I go to the next end. Okay, so we don't need a deep hem. So what I'll do is just turn about a 1/4 inch. One turn, make sure the turn is lined up at the edge here. And then I'll turn again. And then just put a pin in and get it started. And I'll turn as I go, because a 1/4 inch hem is not hard to turn without pinning all the way. There we go. So it is basically a 1/4 inch double hem that I have made. But to square off the other end, what I'll do is just put the end that I have stitched together, put a pin in, and then I'll just work my way down. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other side. I'm going to use my square to draw the line. There we go. We finish our 1/4" double hems. It's done, and we have a shawl. I am sharing with you how I make fringed pillows. So I have 2 panels here. What I did was just take one piece of the remnant and basically just fold it in 2 and then cut the middle here just to make the 2 panels. Then try my best to square the panel up as much as possible. Didn't want to take off too much because it was already pretty small. Then the next step is I got my little measuring gauge here, put it on the end of the panel, just mark off 1 inch, and I did that right around the panels. Then I got my ruler and connect my dots to make the mark, and this mark is my stitch line. So I am going to start just about less than 1/3 of the way on the one edge here, stitch right around and come in just a little bit on this side. On my sewing machine, I have put my dial to triple stitch. If you don't have triple stitch, you don't have to worry about it too much. Just go ahead and use the single stitch that you have. Now I do have a video on the channel that shows you the best way to go about cutting your pillow, the panels for your pillows, to make sure that they are square. I made this pillow form, and I do have a video there too on the channel that shows you how to make the perfect insert for your pillows. So now the insert is in the pillow. I am just gonna stuff it down here, put the panels together, then I'm gonna pin along the bottom section here. Here's my line for my stitch, and I'm just doing this because the insert is so bulky and I don't want it to get in the way when I'm stitching. Here it goes. We're just gonna finish stitching off the pillow. There we go. Four fringed pillows later, I'm done with this project. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. If you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscription button And remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.